Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the content not found glitch or error code in Call of Duty Black Ops 6, and this basically just doesn't let you download Warzone. So there are two ways to do this. The first method you guys can try doing is click on the options button on your controller, go over to manage game content, and then just go over down to Modern Warfare 3 Warzone and go ahead and just install this. If it does say installed but it's still not working, the second method you guys can do is go over to the PlayStation Store. Now from PlayStation Store, you want to just look for Black Ops 6. You can either type it or, just find it here, whatever. But basically, once you are here, you want to click on the three dots, and then you'll look for Call of Duty Warzone, and then you can just simply download it here. And something to keep in mind is that sometimes, when you, let's just say you type Black Ops 6 in the search bar, you just type in Black Ops 6. Another issue that happens is if you just type Black Ops 6, this will come up. It won't say the whole vault version. So when you click on the three dots, it'll just say view product, etc. What you want to do is you want to click on select version. You want to click on Call of Duty again. You want to do view product. Once you click on view product and you see the cross-gen bundle come up, that's when you want to click on the three dots, and then you can go ahead and download Warzone from here. And yeah, that is how to fix the content not found glitch. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.